All right, it's time for another exercise to give you a little practice with some of the things we've been talking about. So let me show you what I'd like you to do. When you open up the files for this topic, this is what you're going to find. You'll have an HTML file which you can use for live server to see what the JavaScript returns. And then here in the JavaScript file, there are instructions for what you're going to do. Two separate exercises. So the first one is contained in a function, useTruthy. We invoke it down here. So we've declared a variable, and then we've assigned different values to the variable. Now after you finish the if statement that I instruct you to write here, you will uncomment these one by one and test each of the values and make sure they work. So now what you want to write in the if statement is an if statement that will correctly check if there is a value in the val variable. If it does have a value, then you will add 5 to it and then log it to the console. If it doesn't have a value, you won't do anything. So that's the first exercise. Now exercise 2 is contained inside the useConcat function. Invoke it down here. There are two arrays set up right here. One has numbers. Some of those numbers are represented as strings. And then the other one has the same number of strings. So 4 elements here, 4 elements in this array. I've already set up a for loop. This for loop will iterate through this array. And what I'd like you to do is finish this for loop. Set it up so that each code right here, each one of these, in the array will have the number 5 added to it. So you'll add 5 to each one of those. Then concatenate the results to an underscore character shown here and to the corresponding string found in the strings array. So this one would be concatenated to this one after you add 5 to the number. Then display the results to the console. All right, go ahead and give that a try. Complete both of those exercises. Then in the next topic, we'll go through this together.